Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an error that has occurred on tap to retry problem. And in order to solve that, first you have to go to your Play Store and then find YouTube over here and you have to update your YouTube app. Mine is already updated. So after that, you have to find the YouTube app in your home and press app and go to the app information over here. And from here, go to the storage and cache. What you have to do is completely clear the storage which is on the bottom option, and it will delete your total data. And after that, you have to go to Play Store again and find Play Service. And after that, you need to update Career Services over here. And this is how you can fix an error. So this is it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.